guys, I'm Prodigy from Airsoft Team Kilo23. Before we get to the gameplay footage, don't forget to check out Inside the Mech Box at airsplat.com on youtube.com. And if you're in the area of Seattle or so, go check out the retail store. Pretty awesome, and I love going there personally. Awesome customer service. Let's go check them out. Okay, so the gameplay footage for the day. This is a CQB match. What CQB is for us is we have a small portion of the field that we use, and it's about 120 feet from one side to the other. We'll play for 10 minutes, unlimited respawns, and there's 2 teams, 2 spawns. You just go back to the spawn, you're right back in, so it's pretty quick gameplay. Now, a lot of people are always asking, what gun are you using during each video? Because I never say personally, you just kind of have to go by what you see in the video. So I'm going to start telling you guys personally what gun I'm using. This is a JG MP5A4. It's about $100, $110, not a very expensive gun. It shoots about 380 feet per second because I opened it up, tuned it, shimmed it. All that I've done to it is install a bearing version 2 spring guide. Nothing else. This gun shoots very nicely. I was running some 2s in it, so it's not the most accurate thing. It's kind of spraying and praying a lot of the time. But it's a very, very nice gun. So let's go ahead and get to the gameplay footage.
Ah! Hit! That hurt right in the finger. Whoa! Fuck! Hit!
Jeez.
Ow! God, I love getting hit twice without barely getting out there. Hey, you're in, dude. Go.
Go for it. I'll be on here in a sec. Moving left, it's free.
Whoa.
Real close. Lower left side as well. Hit.
Asshole. You're welcome.
God damn, dude. Stepping hurt.
Jordan's fun to shoot when he's already hit.
Where are they at?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Jeremy, we both had him lined in.
Sweet.
Real close, real close.
Jeremy on your right there, just in front of you.
That's it. Real close. Not bad. Oh. Holy cow.
Dead man walking. Whoa!
Got one.
I love how close these are getting.
Right side. Triple C.
Oh, that's funny. Road close sign, right there. Hit! Nice!
Where is he? Where's he at?
The orange sign's up ahead. Whoa!
Nice job, Emerson.
Emberson, that's funny.
I said Emerson.
I thought you said Emberson. That's getting pretty close.
Are the signs?
Orange, huh?
The signs to the right up?
Technically, they're down the hill.
Oh, those ones.
Yeah. The orange sign's way at the back there next to the spawn.